Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 11th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are Union Budget 2024 to focus on 5 key social sections. India holds back $600 million strategic oil reserve top-up. All states UTs to get equal chance to display the tableaus during Republic Day parade. India said to be among top 3 global economies, says Prime Minister. All about the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, India's longest sea bridge. Union Budget 2024 to focus on 5 key social sections. The upcoming Union Budget of India will focus on 5 key social sections, that is, women, the poor, youth, farmers, and tribals. The budget is expected to increase allocations for existing schemes meant for these sections and may even introduce new ones. The government aims to address the aspirations of the youth by focusing on education and skill development. A 33% increase in social transfer under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme is likely for farmers. The government is committed to improving the lives of these sections and ensuring their well-being. India holds back $600 million strategic oil reserve top-up. India's finance ministry scrapped a plan to buy $602 million worth of crude oil for its strategic reserves. This decision was due to market volatility and storage limitations. Instead of buying more oil, the ministry is asking the Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserve Limited (ISPRL) to lease out its empty storage caverns. This could generate revenue and potentially attract refiners and oil majors looking for storage space. This decision aligns with the government's goal of reducing the fiscal deficit. Buying oil at current prices would have increased spending, while leasing storage could bring in income. However, refiners have shown limited interest in leasing storage space so far. This could be due to factors like the uncertain oil price outlook and the cost associated with transporting and storing oil. All states UTs to get equal chance to display tableaus during Republic Day parade, says government. All states and union territories in India will have an equal chance to showcase their tableaus at the Republic Day parade on Kartavya Path for the next 3 years. This equal opportunity is ensured through a Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, and a 3-year plan where state participation will be on a rotational basis. Tableaus will be selected by an expert committee comprising renowned artists recommended by the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts and Indian Council for Cultural Relations. This year's parade will also see a significant increase in female representation with up to 75% women in marching contingents of the three defense services and other uniformed forces. While the plan for 2024 to 2026 is being finalized, comments and suggestions from the states were sought on the draft MOU. India is said to be among top 3 global economies, says the Prime Minister. India's economy has grown rapidly in recent years, moving from the 11th to the 5th largest in the world. Prime Minister Modi credits this success to structural reforms that have improved India's business environment. The vibrant Gujarat summit saw major investment announcements from companies like Reliance and Adani. These investments are expected to boost India's growth and create jobs. Some experts believe that India could become one of the top 3 global economies within a decade. All about the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, India's longest sea bridge. With a 22-kilometer length, 16.5 km over the sea, the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link is India's longest bridge. It connects Sevri in Mumbai to Chirle in Navi Mumbai. This engineering marvel is expected to drastically reduce travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai down to just 15 to 20 minutes compared to the current 1 to 1.5 hours. The bridge will provide faster access to the proposed Navi Mumbai international airports, ports, and cities like Pune, Goa, and Bengaluru. This is expected to improve Mumbai's overall connectivity and economic activity. Constructed with Japanese technology and loan assistance from JICA, the bridge features orthotropic steel decks for a lighter yet stronger structure and minimal environmental impact. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link is nearing completion and is expected to be operational by the end of 2024. It promises to bring significant changes to Mumbai's transportation landscape and economic development. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview. B School deadlines are much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.